What's up, guys? I'm calling from VSN Designs, and today we're going to design the ninth helmet using Figma. So grab your favorite drink and let me walk you through the process. Let's draw a frame of 1080 by 1350. And we'll continue by drawing the shape of our helmet using the rectangle to reshape it to the desired shape using the edit tool. Now let's highlight the whole shape around of the corners. With the help of the points on the edges, let's make some small changes to our shapes. Now let's increase the strokes. We continue with the adjustments to make it a little more smooth and nice. You can decide to use any design of your choice to give more flesh to our helmet. Just play around the tools and see what you can come up with. fill in the design to make it more visible and readjust it more precisely. Now we copy and paste the same design to the right side of the helmet and readjust it to fit the original outline. Move on to design a helmet comb using the rectangle tool and reshape it with the help of the Ellipse tool. With the help of the pen tool, we add some horns to our helmet. The horns will make our night more scary. We continue to add small horns to the helmet to make it more scary or more appealing to the eyes. I can't get my frame to stay at one place because I'm using a trackpad. I hope you guys will bear with me. We add some small vent tails to our helmet using the ellipse tool. Now we do same for the left side of our helmet. Wow, I'm starting to like it. Which colors do you think we can apply to make this more scary and appealing to the eye? Well, since it's a night, I think colors like red will do, so let's play around our colors. We're going for red. Can we mix up the colors to your preference? But I think I'm going to use this ones. Now let's continue by adding more details and designs to the helmet. This is going to be similar to what we did earlier on. Now we copy and paste to the right side of the helmet. And we are going to copy the whole helmet and duplicate it to add some tones to the helmet and make some changes to the background. We are going to fill the duplicate to white, then drag it down a little to give it some tone. Now we do some adjustments to make it more precise. That's our ninth helmet. Thank you guys for making it this far. Check out my flat African man illustration and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. I will see you in the next video.